First, you can begin with your foundation. For this, all you have to do is braid the braids going to the side and then going back, so that this is for a middle part, by the way. So you want to part it straight down the middle and then do some braids on one side and then braids on the other side, and that's basically it. And then you want to take that last braid and sew it up. To take a skin complexion cap and use your got to be glue to lay it down. You can watch one of my other lace frontal videos to see this method, and then you just want to sew it around the perimeter of where the lace closure will be. And then you will go ahead and cut the rest off and apply your foundation that matches your client's skin or your own. After that, you want to begin sewing down the perimeter of the closure and make sure you sew the back and then the sides. I like to start from the middle and then go from one side to the other side, and I did use 2 separate needles because that just makes it easier for me. So whatever is easier for you, that's what you want to do, to make sure you secure that closure, or else it will move. And then not only that, when it starts to grow out, it won't look too pretty. And I also tied a elastic band, sewed a elastic band to the front of the closure. If you want a video on that, comment down below. But that is what I did. And then after that, you want to let's see. So make sure you wipe the client's head off with alcohol. I did not show this in the clip, but you want to apply at least 3 layers of of whatever choice of lace glue you would like to use, and wait till it's completely dry. After that, you want to press that lace closure into your client's scalp, forehead, however you want to say it, but you want to make sure that you press that lace down. This is going to give it that melting effect. So make sure you press it down. You can use the end of a rat tail comb or the teeth of the comb, whatever, or your hands. Just make sure you press that lace down into the, the client's skin. So for the baby hair, all I did was section out the perimeter of the closure, and then I am going to use some mousse after I shave it down. Shave it down to your desired length or your client's desired length, however, how long you want it, that's how you shave it. And then you want to use some mousse to mold that, your baby hair. We are going for a soft look again today. So after you finish that baby hair, you are going to comb them out. And by combing it, this gives it the soft look. And I learned that from another YouTuber. I am Erica J. She does it more in detail. I'm still, learning and stuff. So just do the regular, swoop. And that's going to get you them nice baby hairs. And I am going to swoop it into the closure because I just like it that way. I don't like it to be, out. It is going to be out after I comb it, but that's how you do it. And this closure, I plucked it and bleached it before I began recording, obviously. So make sure you also do that. And also, you can sew on the band, and you want to sew on the band because you don't want the closure just up there by itself without any bundles right there. It's gonna look empty. So you can definitely sew on the band. And if you can use a thicker band, use a thicker band, because I have been told that these get tighter over time. So I definitely made this a lot looser than the last one I did, because I was told that they get tighter the more it's on your head. So try to find a thicker band than the one that I am using right now. Yeah.